Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Programming World. Are you aiming to become software developer one day? Do you also want to develop a mobile application that people all over the world would love to use? Then you are in the right place. I am Yash. From this lecture, I am going to start a programming series named Everything About Programming. Prerequisite of this course. This is course for every computer science student who knows nothing about programming, that is, who is complete beginner in programming and want to become expert programmer in future. This course is also for those who want to learn programming for fun and interest. Believe guys, programming is very interesting and I am sure you get interested after learning from this course. So let's start. So guys, in this video we will learn what is programming language and its type, why everyone should learn programming, after that compiler and interpreter. This is very basic things that every programmer should learn. So what is programming? Programming is a way of telling computer what to do. In another word, programming is a way to instruct the computer to perform various tasks. Instruct means you provide the computer a set of instructions that computer understand and perform your work. Guys, computer work with digital representation, that is 0 and 1. They only understand the presence of 0 and 1, that is binary code. So to communicate with the computer, we need to communicate with it using binary code, which is nearly impossible to us. So here come programming language. So programming language is a coded syntax used by the programmer in order to communicate with the computer. We know computer is simply a machine, so it does not perform any work by itself. In order to function it, we use different type of programming language. Programmer write set of instruction in any programming language to communicate with the computer. There are many type of programming language in this world. Mainly there are 3 type of programming language: machine language, assembly language and high level language. We will discuss type of programming language in detail in next video, so stay tuned. So why everyone should learn programming? Guys, Steve Jobs has told that everyone should know how to program a computer because it teaches us how to think. Guys, I will not explain it in deeply because in future you will learn it by yourself. Guys, there is no denying that technology now dominate a huge amount of different industries. So there are some reasons to start coding now. First reason is coding can lead to software development job. Guys, coding is the fundamental skill for jobs such as software development. There is currently a shortage of quality software developer worldwide. So here is bright career for all. Second reason is it could lead to freelancing jobs. If you are wanting to freelance or ability to work while traveling, while at home, then it may be great choice to get it. Third reason is coding can allow you to pursue passion projects. Guys, coding will be fantastic skills for you if you are a person who has tons of ideas and want to get started. So you can start now. Fourth and most strongest reason for coding is learning potential for coding and programming professional. Okay, that's it for this video guys. I hope you understand this content. If you like this content, please give a thumbs up and do share with friend and subscribe this channel. And don't forget to give feedback in the comment sections. Thanks to all.